Welcome to tutorial. Today I will guide you how to create a short URL of your post without any plugin. Here you can see my URL is too big and how to short a URL of post. Welcome to tutorial. So how to make WordPress short URL. So here you can see my website is loudupdates.com and then how to make a short URL. So here you can see my post URL is too much big, so creating so we are not sharing this type of a long URL, so this is not looking so good. So how to do this? Click on Jetpack and then go to your Jetpack settings. Now go to setting. We don't need any plugin, but we just doing a simple setting. Now go to traffic section. Now click on traffic section. Here you can see, now scroll down and here you can see vp.me short links. This is script is by WordPress. This is officially by WordPress, vp.me. So keep in mind, never disable this in future. And now we will just refresh this page. Here you can see, once we refresh, here you can see get a short link is showing. Here you can see, just click on this button. Here you can see URL is too short, vp.me, and here you can see our post URL is too much big, and now we are clicking on this and we can just copy this URL and sharing on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and other friend. This link is too short and looking so pretty. Someone clicking on this link and they will redirect to our post. So this is so good to manage our short link. We are not using any third-party plugin and third-party website to manage our website. Here you can see, just I am visiting this URL and here you can see our post is open. So let's begin to open this post in another browser. Is this is working or not? So let's try another post URL and open this in another browser. So here you can see we are open this in incognito tab. So here you can see this URL is working. Here you can see our post is open. Now once someone visiting our website through a short link, then there is a /p is equal 10 310. so once someone visiting and our link look like this. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you, and just use this vp.me link shortener. We don't need any third-party plugin and third-party website. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you how to short your WordPress website post URL. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.